Hi everyone, this is a follow-up video that I made for people that were having problems uploading custom thumbnails to their YouTube channels even though they were verified. I said the solution is to download the YouTube Studio app on your phone and upload the custom thumbnails there. More than 90% of the people that have been commenting on that video said that this solution is what helped them, but there were also some people that had some issues using the YouTube Studio app. So I'm just going to show you real quickly how this place works in case you're having problems with it, and if you have any more questions, you're welcome to ask me. Anyway, you're going to download the YouTube Studio app on your phone, and then you're going to click on it. You're going to want to log into your YouTube account that you want to upload the custom thumbnails to. And in my case, if you look through all of my videos right now, before they did not have custom thumbnails, but now they do because I've been using the YouTube Studio app to do it. So let's say I chose this video and it didn't have a custom thumbnail uploaded to it. I would click on the pen icon on the top right, and this would take me to this place. Now I would click on Edit Thumbnail. Now I couldn't do this on my laptop for some reason, even though I was verified, and a lot of people confirmed that they also had this problem. But in this case, on the phone through the YouTube Studio app, I can. Now once you're on this screen, you're going to click on Change, and you're going to select an image which you should take from your laptop and upload to your phone. Let's say this is the one that I chose. I'm going to click on Select, and then you're going to click on Save, which is on the top right. I don't need to do that because I already uploaded the custom thumbnail image that I wanted to, but that's just the way it works. And it's a really straightforward process. If you have any questions about it, do let me know. I'm pretty sure, I hope YouTube is going to fix this problem and let us be able to do it off our laptops. But in the meantime, you should be able to do it through your phone through the YouTube Studio app that I just showed you. So thanks a lot for watching, and if you have any questions or if this helped you, let me know in the comments section below. Take care.